Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and straight away let's get into the weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So this is the 1 week time frame chart for Nifty over here. You can see that this is straight away following the trend line over here, and even for the 1 week time frame, it has straight away closed near the support line. So as of now, you don't have to get any more anywhere near bearish over here right now. We'll have to further on watch that what does the upcoming week do, and it will be interesting, right? So I just wanted to show you that there's nothing to be bearish about it right now. So when do we basically buy and when do we sell? It is not on the 1 week time frame, it will be on the 1 hour time frame. So straight away let's get into the 1 hour time frame. You might see that this is the resistance line and this is the support line for Nifty, trying to make a descending triangle pattern over here if we further on carry forward and join the intersection points, right? So if we actually see, the previous patterns was something like this, resistance over here, resistance, resistance, and resistance again, and we might have thought that okay, this is a breakout and we would buy over here, but we didn't buy. Because why? I told you that it could be a fake breakout, as Bank Nifty did not give a breakout over here. It was still following its resistance line, right? If you've not seen the message in my Telegram group, I did post a Telegram message over there in my group that Bank Nifty has not given a breakout, so I wouldn't consider it a genuine breakout in Nifty. And you can see straight away the next candle was such a bearish candle that it took out everyone's stop loss. So we'll need some pattern adjustments over here in Nifty, and we will try to shift our resistance line up till here, joining the wicks of all the candles right now. Okay, so this would be a better pattern now. So basically I would not try to look in Nifty to buy over here. Even if we do, it could not be that much of worth it. I'd find a better trade in Bank Nifty. Let me just tell you why. So if we basically buy over here, we might find a resistance over here up till 50 points, and as a hedging hedging way, you will not find such good targets with just 50 points. You need minimum of 100 to 150 points over here to earn good profits, right? And your stop loss would be also 1:1 over here, so I won't find it quite good. Yeah, you can wait for this zone to also break out and take up till targets of 104. That will be fine, but the probability of it, I'm not quite feeling comfortable in trading Nifty. But just take the same example that if Nifty breaks this resistance line, and similarly Bank Nifty is also breaking this resistance line, right? So I would think that Bank Nifty is breaking this resistance line something like this, and it takes a support near the same zone of this place. At such time, I would definitely go ahead and buy over here, and my target will be over here at first. So the first buy place would be somewhere over here. Target will be around 220 points over here, and my stop loss would be not more than 90 to 100 points over here. So that would be around more than 1:2 or more than 1:2.2, something like that. And as we see that Bank Nifty is also breaking this level, we will also see the same way that Nifty is also trying to break this level on the upside. So at such times, what happens is that we will also see Bank Nifty breaking this level, and we can further carry forward our trade up to 640 points when Nifty also break this zone and it goes up till the resistance point. That will be the buy scenario from my end in Bank Nifty, and I will be comfortable to trade Bank Nifty over here. And it depends upon the situation, that how it goes and how it is trying to form up. The candlestick formation and the places and the comfort of also both the indices, while they are breaking out together or not, and which one is breaking first and which one is giving the confirmation on the second side. So make sure that you take both confirmation in Nifty and Bank Nifty over here, and accordingly try to buy when Nifty also gave a break on the upside, and also Bank Nifty gave a breakout on the upside, right? So this is the analysis on the buy side. Similarly on the sell side, what if we see Bank Nifty going down and Nifty also going down? We will go short only above this, right? Short side could be a good target for Nifty, which is basically selling below this area, this zonal area over here, because you can see that whenever it has crossed down, it has always fallen down up till around 150 to 100 points is what I believe. So if I just calculate, yes, it has fallen up to 112 points over here. Similarly again, it is somewhere around 150 points, again over here around 170 points. So I can expect the same thing over here. If it breaks down below this, we can try taking up targets up till 150 points or 160 points. Our stop loss would be not more than the recent swing up till around 50 to 60 points, okay? Because our target is quite big over here, so we'll try to keep our stop loss in the same way. This is the 1 hour time frame, remember, not the 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So take confirmations from both the indices over here and try to trade accordingly. Similarly, if we are going on the sell side in Bank Nifty, we also need to see that Bank Nifty is also trying to break this zone and go short right at below this zone, and your targets will be up till the next zone of 500 points. Your stop loss should be up till around half of this candle, which is around 135 to 150 points, right? So that is around 1:5 or 1:4 also, which you can say. Coming back to just take confirmation with Nifty Finance as well, which consists heavyweights like Bajaj Finance, the Bajaj Duo or HDFC Duos and everything. So you have to see the same thing over here. They almost work together. If this also breaks down, you can even try shorting Nifty Finance, and you can keep the same stop loss on the sell side. Similarly, on the buy side, it would be the opposite, which will be your stop loss should be right over here and your targets up till over here, right? So this is your Nifty Finance, Bank Nifty and Nifty trades. Coming back to our overall check in the patterns of USA markets, which is the S&P 500. I would like to see S&P 500, the top 500 companies, rather than Dow Jones. If you see that there was a reversal zone over here, so it has started to reverse down and it opened gap down. So I'll just remove this, and you can find a new channel pattern, something over here like this. And I feel that it could slowly be in this manner for the US markets, and it can happen. It can go and break out on the on any side, right, on the higher side as well, or it might go on the downside somewhat like this. If it goes on the downside, I don't think so it would just straight away crash down until and unless it doesn't breaks all these zones, and it would try to take some time over here, right? So further on with dollar index, it has finally broken down the 4-hour channel pattern, like as I told you in the previous video, but there is a zonal support over here. So we have to see further on how the dollar index is also trying to behave, and how it tends to go up or go on the downside, understanding that how the FIIs could behave in the upcoming future. So this is all the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty and also Finance Nifty. I hope you understood and trade accordingly. Make sure you also understand that this is a 1-hour time frame, and you need both the indices to work together to get big targets over here and be profitable in the long term, right? So that is all for the analysis, guys. I hope you understood. Take care, stay safe, and happy trading.